Let's look at how paperboard is manufactured. Trucks load logs of harvested trees into a debarking drum where they are stripped of their bark. From there, they are fed into a chipper. The logs are cut into small chips which are then, for quality reasons, screened to remove unwanted sizes. The result is perfect wood chips, the best start for the pulp making process. The chips are refined into individual fibers. The fibers are washed and bleached in a multiple stage process. This process produces pulp that is clean and white to the highest standards. Water is added, and after passing through a series of fiber screenings followed by bleaching, the mechanical pulp is ready for use. However, the process also requires chemical pulp. The inner layers of mechanical pulp add strength and bulk, while the dual outer layers of bleached chemical pulp give paperboard its superb surface, printability, and strength properties like bending stiffness. Many of the paperboard's superior properties are created at the first section, which starts shaping the pulp into board. The first layer is formed on a bottom wire, and the water drains downwards. The middle layers are formed consecutively above the first and stabilized by individual upper wires through which water is removed upwards by suction. The final ply is formed separately and combined with the other four in order to achieve the desired characteristics. Sandwiched between two felts, the paperboard is pressed between hard rolls. The water is effectively removed with the moisture content in the paperboard at the end of the press section having fallen to about 50%. Then comes the drying section, where the board passes over steam-heated polished cylinders, which gradually further reduce its moisture. Important strength properties are established here. The steam-heated machine glazing cylinder dries the web without any loss of thickness, ensuring excellent stiffness properties. This surface treatment is key for producing top-quality folding boxboard. At the surface sizing stage, a starch solution is applied to both sides of the web to prepare it for coating. It binds the fibers to the surface and adds strength to the board. The paperboard is then pressed between steel rolls to further even out the surface and increase smoothness. This also controls the board's thickness and density. A white pigmented coating is applied and smoothed out over the surface. This can be done on one or both sides depending on the product. Each layer is dried independently by infrared dryers. The paperboard is then reeled onto a large steel core. The massive roll is then cut down into smaller reels. Some reels are wrapped for dispatch direct to customers. Others are sheeted into customer-specified sizes.